Okay everybody, well I'm making this video in the garage here. I figured this is a very appropriate place for this kind of video. Not too long ago, Scotty Kilmer had made a video talking about automatic transmission fluid and when you should change it and stuff like that. Link to his video in the description below. And I left a comment on there basically stating when you should change it and stuff like that. And little did I know, he was actually choosing a random commenter for like a little contest. And then next thing I know, he pinned my comment and then said I was the winner of the product he was giving away. And I was like, wow, that's pretty awesome. So what it turned out to be was this right here. Lucas Transmission Fix. Now, just want to say I don't have to use this product, and hopefully I won't have to use this product, but I just think it's pretty cool to be given something from him like this. Definitely awesome of you, Scotty, definitely. I've been subscribed to Scotty Kilmer now since roughly, I believe, February of 2012, so I've been watching his videos for a long time now, and I've really enjoyed it. I just think it's pretty awesome how, you know, he had this contest going on, I knew nothing about it, and then next thing I know, hey, guess what, your comment is the winner, and I was like, wow, that's really awesome. So thanks again, Scotty. Pretty awesome of you to do this. Definitely like it a lot. I've liked your videos for a long time. Many of them have good humor, good things to talk about. Like, you know, he has videos about dumb things not to do to your car, when you should do this, do that. Some very good advice in those videos, and I've really enjoyed them. And thank you once again, man, for this product. Once again, I don't have to use this, but it's definitely awesome to have something from you like this, with how long I've been watching your videos especially. So thanks again. But let's end this video with one thing right here. Okay, and here's the engine compartment of the Mazda that I drive. And you know, one of the things that Scotty really stressed was one of the worst things you can do to a transmission, especially an automatic transmission, is not maintain it. And I mean, really, that's just common sense for a lot of things, but you know, how many people out there have common sense these days? But anyway, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the condition of my transmission fluid. So, right, and I'm going to have to do this one-handed, so should go okay. Right here is the dipstick for my transmission fluid. So let's pull that out very carefully. Here we go. And if you look at the color of it, you can see it looks pretty red, just like it should. And here, I'll just let more of it go on the paper towel here. You can see. See, it is still reddish in color, and that is exactly how it should be. Usually once it gets kind of amber, that's when you should consider changing it, but don't let it get black, because if it gets black, chances are you've gone way too far, and then you can cause transmission problems in the future. And I can tell you that and I think I speak for everybody when I say nobody wants that. But as you can see, the condition of my fluid looks pretty good. So let's put this back in. Just bear with me here. There we go. Wait, it has to go around this way, I think. Yeah. There we go. Okay. So as you can see, color of mine is still good, and just the way it should be. Alright, so there you have it, guys. Once again, Scotty, thank you very much for that awesome gift. Very nice of you. And as you can see, I keep things maintained, just like you should with your own car as well. So as usual, thank you very much for watching, and take care.